Hi friends, welcome to the writing. So my name is Ratan. Guys, we are discussing numbers. Coming to the numbers, last class we completed the perfect number, strong number, prime number. And today class, let me go for the Armstrong number. What the number guys? Armstrong number, right? Exactly. So guys, first of all, we should know what is Armstrong number. Tell me guys, what is Armstrong number? Tell me. If you take 153 is Armstrong number. Armstrong number means each digit powers, sum of powers of each digit. Okay, this is first digit. Then how many numbers are there total here? 3 numbers. It means you will get the 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of what? 1 to the power of 3 and plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of what? 3. The sum of powers of each digit, okay, sum of powers of each digit equal to the given number, equal to what? Given number, right? Then that number is called Armstrong number. See, for example, 153, 1 cube. 1 cube means what? 1. And if you take the 5 cube, 5 cube is what? 125 plus 3 cube is what? 27. Then total is how much you guys here? Again 153, right? So then what is the point? Tell me. Sum of powers of, tell me guys, sum of powers of each digit equivalent to the what? Given number, right? That is called Armstrong number, guys. Tell me the sum of powers of each digit. Each digit is equal to a given number, right? Is equal to the given number. That is called Armstrong number, guys. But here we should remember one point. This is the 3 numbers. That's what 1 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube. For example, if we take the 4 digit number 1634. If the 3 digits are there, we should write the power is 3 actually. But if you have the 4 digit, we should write the power is how much? 4 actually, right? But the client, we don't know what the number he given. Maybe the user is given the end user is given the 153, or maybe he given the 1634 also. It means the code should work for the 3 digits, the code should work for the 4 digits also, right? That's what 1 to the power of 4. Tell me guys, 1 to the power of 4. 1 to the power of 4 plus, and tell me guys, this is 1 to the power of 4. Next one is what? 6 to the power of 4. Next one is the 3 to the power of 4. Guys, first we should understand what is the requirement, no? So that easily we can write the code. So no, we should know the algorithm, right? Step by step process. 1 to the power of 4, 6 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 4, right? Exactly. Guys, 1 to the power of 4 is 1 and 6 to the power of 4 is how much? Tell me. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. You will get the values almost all. 6 are 36. 36 6 are total almost you will get 1296. 1296. Then 3 4s are. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? 9, 27, 27 3s are 81, right? 81 you can take. 4 4s are how much ma? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 power, right? Then you can get the 256. Because again this value becomes what? 1634, right? 1634. So we understood that sum of powers of each digit. Sum of powers of each digit is equivalent to what? Given number, right? Is equivalent to what? Given number. That is called Armstrong number, guys. Guys, but this power is depends on what? The number of digits, right? Guys, the power is depends on what? Number of digits. If it 3 digits means what? Power is 3. If the 4 digits means what? Power is 4. That's what you should calculate the number of digits, right? Calculate the number of digit. That's what, guys. Write the algorithm. Step 1 here. First of all, take the input from what? Take the number from end user. Take the number from end user, right? Exactly. End user is enter some number, guys. Step 2. After is given the input from end user, first of all, count the number of digits. Because you require the power, right? Power 3 or power 4. Power 3, power 4 depends on what? Number of digits, right? That's what you should take the number, count the number of digits. So count the number of, tell me, number of digits. Guys, how can we count the number of digits? Tell me. So take the while loop to repeat the loop. While loop, number not equal to 0. Guys, number not equal to what? 0. Up to 0 we have to repeat, right? To count the number of digits, guys, get the last digit. Guys, remove the last digit. See, 153 is there, na? Remove the last digit. Count increment, right? Guys, remove the last digit and what am I? Count increment. Then remove the last digit, count increment. Remove the last digit, count increment, right? Exactly. Guys, count the number of digits means simply we can write the while loop. Take the while loop. Tell me, guys, take the while loop. Remove the last digit. Count it, right? Count plus you can take. That's all, guys. Count the number of digit means take the while loop, guys. Take this number and remove the last digit, count increment. Remove the next digit, count increment. Remove this digit, count increment, right? At last we get the 0. Then while loop is stopped. Count the number of digits, right? Exactly. Because after counting the number of digits, we should take the powers, right? Yes, we should take what? Powers. See, guys, after counting all the digits, we should take the power. Then to make the power, again take that while loop to make the powers, right? Guys, yes or no? Take the while loop to perform the power operation or not? Take the while loop to perform what? Power value, right? To perform the power value. Guys, tell me, to make the power value, first of all, get the last digit, right? Guys, get the last digit. Here, don't remove, guys. You want to get the last digit because 3 you have to get first, right? Get the last digit. Tell me, guys, get the last digit. Guys, first while loop is just counting the number of digits. Next while loop is what? Getting the last digit. Speak out, guys. Get the last digit. What we should tell me? Get the last digit 3. After getting the last digit, we need to make the power 3, right? Guys, yes or no? Then get the last digit, make the power. To make the power, guys, simply I can use the math dot. Tell me, guys, math dot what? Math dot get the last digit, make the power. Guys, 3 to the power of 3 I want generally. Assume like count is 3. So math dot power of get the last digit, right? Then you can take the digit. Digit means 3. Then power how much, guys, here? Power is 3, right? Is nothing but what? You taken the count now. The digit comma, you can take the count. That's all. If it is maybe 4, you get the last digit 4. Then count is how much? 4, right? Then 4 to the power of 4. Guys, yes or no? That's it, guys. Take the loop, take the number from end user, count the number of digits. Then after counting number of digits, keep aside. Then you can take the while loop to perform the power value. Get the last digit. To the last digit, you have to make the power. How much power? Math dot power of which digit? The digit, and the count is nothing but it may be 3. Number of power number 3. If it may be 4, make the power 4, right? Like this, you have to make the data, guys. Clear? That's all, guys. Guys, after making the power, you got the 27, right? Make the power, store into some variable. Guys, because I need to check this all the sum values, right? Store into some variable. So make the power. After that, what am I? Store into which variable, guys? Here, store into sum, right? Store into sum. Guys, next one is what? Remove the last digit. You got the last digit, perform the operation power value, then you can remove the last digit. The next one is what? 153 means 5 we have to get. Again 5 have to get last digit, make the power, add to some variable, remove the last digit. Remove the last digit, right? Exactly. Guys, I hope you know that. Like get the last digit. Get the last digit means what am I? Number modular 10. Remove the last digit means what am I? Remove the last digit mod number by 10. Guys, yes or no? This is like digit, guys. Last digit number equal to by modular 10. Number equal to number by 10. Then what happened here? We removed last digit and assigned to number variable, right? The number contains only 2 digits then. Guys, this process repeated for how many numbers, guys? All digit, right? The process repeated, the above process. Tell me, the above process repeat for all digits, right? For all digits. Repeat the above process repeat all digits, right? Exactly. Okay, that's the information, guys. Got the point? So 3 to the power of 3 stored into some variable, then 5 to the power of 3 stored into some variable, 1 to the power of 3 stored into some variable, right? Then we need to check the sum and given digit. Both are same. Guys, fourth step is what? Check the sum and given number. check the sum and what we can write the given number, right? Check the sum and given number. If both are same, give like the number is what? Armstrong. Both are not same means what? Just tell me here. Both are what? Both are not same. Both are not same means what? Not Armstrong, right? Exactly. Guys, process is very simple, guys. But slowly we have to make the application. First, if you write this algorithm, so that very easy to understand the code, right? Guys, yes or no? Slowly, easily you can understand the code or not. The sum of powers of each digit. Sum of powers of each digits. Okay, this is a sum, right? Sum of powers of each digit. That power is maybe 3, maybe 4. That depends on the count. Depends on the number of digits, right? Yeah, take the number from end user. First of all, you please count it because the power required. To make the power means, first of all, how much power is maybe power 3 or power 4 depends on the count, right? Exactly. Just take the value, perform the power value. Get the last digit and perform the power. Get the last digit, take the power and remove the last digit. Get the last digit, perform the power, remove the digit. Get the last digit, perform the power, remove the last digit. Then the sum and given number both are same. Then that is what? Armstrong number, right? Otherwise not Armstrong. Are you clear? So can you write the code for this? Yes. Guys, tell me the first step. Yes, if you take the Armstrong example, just you can save like that, Armstrong example. Guys, first step is what? Take the number from end user. Take the number from end user. Yeah, to take the number from end user, which class required here? We know that scanner class. Then you can write the system.in. Then you can give the message is what? System.out.println. Enter your number to check. Enter your number to check Armstrong, right? Armstrong. Exactly. Guys, take that number scanner.next int. Then tell me, guys, enter. We can take the number variable, right? Exactly. And scanner class belongs to util package. Then we should import the java.util.what? Scanner, right? Exactly. Guys, first step is completed. You taken the number. You got the point, right? Yeah. After taking the number, we need to calculate the count. Why? Because power required, na? Maybe power 3, maybe power 4. Depends on the number of digits, right? That's what, guys. Calculate what? Number of digits. Number of digits, right? Guys, that is the second step now. Calculate the number of digits. Take the while loop, remove the last digit, count plus. Okay. Guys, actually for this operation I taken the int temporary variable. So temp equal to number. Guys, at last I want to calculate this number with the sum, right? That's what number keep aside. Take it temporary variable. Because when the while loop is repeated, temporary variable becomes how much? Tell me. The number becomes a 0, right? That's what take the temporary variable, guys. Take the temporary variable, assume like this is like temp1 I taken. Yeah, temp1 I taken. To calculate the number of what? Digits, right? Exactly. Guys, take the while loop and the while loop, you can write the temp1 not equal to 0. Up to 0 we have to repeat, guys. First of all, temp1 is what? Assume you given the 153. 153 means what? Temp1 is 153, right? 153 not equal to 0. Then you should remove the last digit. Remove the last digit means how? Tell me, guys. Remove the last digit means temp1 equal to temp1 by 10. By 10 means remove the last digit. And we should increase the count, right? That's what take the initially count is 0. Then you can write the count plus, right? Exactly. Okay, the loop is repeated how many times? 3 times. First this 3 removed, count plus, 5 removed, count plus, 1 removed, count plus. Then count becomes how much more? 3. Calculate the number of digits. Guys, yes or no? Calculate number of digits, right? Exactly. Guys, next step is what? Tell me. You calculate a number of digits. Take the while loop to perform the power value, right? Guys, take the while loop, take what? Power value, no? Yeah, that's what. Take the while loop to perform the power value. Guys, as usual, take the while loop. Power value means what? You have to get the last digit, take the power. Then you have to get the last digit, power value. Again, you require this number, right? That's what, guys. Here I taken one more variable, temp2 variable. Temp2 equal number. Okay, this number I given to temp1. Here I am doing the calculation for the counting the number, counting the digits. Guys, here you can take again number data, right? While of, you can write the temp2. temp to not equal to 0. Temp to not equal to what? 0, right? In this case, what we should do here? Tell me here what we should do. You get this number, make the power, right? First of all, get the last digit. How can you get the last digit? Tell me here. Int digit equal to temp to modular 10. Modular 10 means what? You got the last digit. What is the last digit? Tell me. 3. Yes or no here? What is this numbers here? Numbers. Code is very simple, but the students are feeling very heavy to write this kind of code. I don't know what the reason. First, you should have these algorithms clearly what we are going to do, so that very easy to write the code, right? So once you have the analysis, patience, guys, all about the patience. Once you have the patience towards the code, definitely get the output simply. What we should do, we need to have the clarity. Because mostly these all the numbers will work for the modular and division only. Get the last number, remove the last number. Yes or no? Get the last number and remove the last number, right? What is the new thing in that? Patience important, guys. We should have the patience towards the code. See how much patience I have to write this much code, tell me. All of you please like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Yeah, calculate the number of digits because power value required. Then take the while loop to perform the power values. First 3 you are getting, after getting the 3, this is the 3 you are getting. For the 3 digit, that is the power value we have to write. Yes or no? That's what, guys, take the power value. Then you can write the sum equal to variable, sum equal to 0 initially to store the sum, right? Initially sum equal 0, sum equal to, tell me guys, sum equal to sum plus that power value, right? What the power value, tell me here? We can write the math dot power of, math dot what? Power of, which one? Digit. Digit means 3. 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 means count. Maybe if the 4 digits means what? Count is 4. Power is 4, right? Guys, power is what? 4. Then that will be stored into some variable, right? Exactly. So you got the last digit, you are making the power, and the data will be stored in the sum variable, right? Because sum of powers of each digit power I stored into some variable, right? Because 3 calculations done, remove the 3. To remove the 3, what you should write? Tell me here. Temp 2 equal to temp 2 by 10. So temp 2 by 10 means last digit is removed. Last digit is removed. 153 3 removed. Then 15 is assigned to temp 2 variable, right? Exactly. So the above process is repeated for until what? 0, right? Yeah, 3 cubes stored, then 5 cube is stored in the sum variable, then 1 cube also stored into some variable, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, then completed, guys. So you take in the number from end user, you are calculating the number of digits to make the power value, and you are calculating the power also. Every digit you are getting, making the power stored into what? Some variable, and remove the last variable. Then loop is repeated for 3 times. Enough. At last we need to check what? Check the Armstrong number, right? Check the sum with the given number, right? Sum with the given number. Tell me, guys, how to check? If sum double equal to number. Guys, see, because I didn't perform any operation on the number, my number is 153 only. For this while loop I taken this temp1 variable, for this while loop I taken the temp2 variable. You got the point, right? Now I am checking the number. Sum double equal to number, then give the message that system.out.println of your number is what? Tell me, your number is Armstrong. Guys, your number is what? Armstrong. Else block, sum double equal number, right? Powers of each digit now, sum of powers of each digit is equivalent to the given number, right? Guys, equal to what? Given number or not? Exactly. Okay, this is Armstrong number. Then you can write the code. Your number is what? Not Armstrong, right? Guys, your number is what? Not Armstrong. That's all, guys. Enough the code. Guys, you can save this code in local disk D. I'm going to save with the test.java. Let me run this code, right? Open the command prompt. And local disk D. We can we can write the code. Yeah, how to compile, guys? Java, the application is what? Test.java. Guys, code is compiled. Fine. We got some issue. Incompatible types, possible loss of comes from the double to int. Actually, math.power returns the double value, guys. Math dot power returns what? A double value. Math dot power returns a double value. That's what you need integer format, right? That's what here you can go for this one. You typecast like into format, because some you are storing into variable, right? Not here, I think. Yeah, here. Math dot power returns a double value, but you want double value into value now. Into value, right? That's what you typecast into format. Guys, now you can compile this code. What is compile? Fine. Java the class is what? A test class, right? Run this code. Wait, what happened is pattern is printing, huh? Why pattern is printing? We should run this code is what? Okay, you saved the file is test.java, guys, but we need to execute the class here, the class which contains main method, right? What the class name? Tell me here. Armstrong example. That's what, guys. Java. Tell me Java Armstrong example, right? Click on enter. Guys, enter your number to check the Armstrong. I told you 153 is Armstrong, right? See, guys, your number is Armstrong. For 3 digits is working fine. Because even Armstrong example 1634 you can enter. Your number is Armstrong. Yes or no? Your number is what? Armstrong, right? Patience is very, very important. Your number is Armstrong. See, for example, I enter 370. 370 means what? It's Armstrong. If you want, you can check the 370 ones. 3 cube, 7 cube. Number is what? Armstrong. Even 371 also Armstrong. Your number is Armstrong, right? Exactly. For example, if I enter 122, it's not Armstrong. And you enter like 270, 89, it's not Armstrong. You enter like 46465, it is not Armstrong. Guys, even 5 digits also it will work, right? What the problem in that? 5 digits means what? The count is what? 5. Count is 5 means the digit power is how much? Tell me, 5 digits means what? 5 digits means count is how much? 5. Power is how much? 5, right? Power is how much? 5. Any problem is there? No problem, right? Exactly. Because you please write this code clearly and go for the steps clearly, so that easily we can solve the application, right? Guys, easily you can solve the code. Please, all of you take all the numbers in your notebook. Please take your notebook and please share these videos to your friends. So you completed like prime number, perfect number, strong number, Armstrong number. Exactly. Because next video we'll discuss about the Fibonacci series, factorial series, and Adam number. Okay, like that some more numbers we will see. Clear? So thank you guys. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.